Welcome! In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 4, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. This will bring up the boot options. This is the default options. If you changed it, you might just need to hold power button, but in any case, from here you just want to swipe down to turn off your device. Once your phone turns off, hold power button and volume down instead. And after a moment, once the OnePlus logo shows up, let go of the power button but keep holding volume down. Then you will see a language selection. Now it is kind of not very clear, but we have three options. We have the one that is selected right now and English as the last option, so that's what I'm going to select. And then it gives us another three options like format data, reboot device, and power off. Like I said, I can see that it's not too visible on the screen, so you'll just have to take my word on it. But yeah, we have format, reboot, and power off. And I will be selecting reboot option as there's nothing else to showcase here, so I'm just going to select reboot. Confirm this by selecting OK. This will initiate a reboot and bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.